it says design your own neon light board.
It says that setup time 5 minutes. Learn about electricity.
Wire and design your own sign. Let's see what we have here. So let's open this up.
Let's look for the
Instructions.
Yeah,
But we have like some blue and orange wires. Let's try to get that out first.
I have
And you try to get the instructions.
the instructions.
So the blue and orange wires. I think they're supposed to like glow up after. And then we have like the board right here.
Let's open the instructions. So guys, it says step 1, place your batteries into the battery pack.
At the back. So let's see. Oh, we actually have like pegs. We forgot the pegs.
Yeah.
Look, pegs.
So this is the battery pack.
This is the battery pack. We already put our batteries in there.
So now we're gonna connect the light wires to the wires of the battery pack in the back. Okay, got it. The other way.
Other way?
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Boom.
Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2, planning your project. Think about what you want your sign to say, or you can choose a design. Step 3, choose where you want your design to start and insert the wire from the back to the front of the board.
Okay, now we're gonna flip it over. Let's remove the cardboard. What thing should we do? I think we should like do a word. Oh, you're gonna do the CEO.
Yeah.
Oh, you were thinking the same exact thing. Okay, now grab it.
Done. I think you need The easiest way to create your design is to take your pegs and place them throughout your board, outlining your design.
I'm gonna grab the pegs and trace out CEO with the pegs. So let's get the pegs. So
So are we gonna just like?
Let's see. Wait, that's not right. See, it's gonna be like right here. And then right here. Ooh. Okay, let's just leave that one there. And then put one right here. Oh wait, I don't need to put that there. Put it right here. So guys, this is what we came up with. CEO! Wow, that's so cool, CEO. And it has like a little orange box around it. And this is the button that you press. It's right here, and it makes the light turn on. So now we're gonna turn off the lights and see it glow. It's gonna glow way better.
Yeah.
Oh, it's glowing even more.
It has different modes.
Yeah, it has different modes. It has this one, but it has this one, it has this one, and it has this one.
Yeah.
That's so cool. This is going in my room.
Now it's going in my room.
It's going in my room.
Now it's not going in my room.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot then.
Best out of 3.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That's what it is. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video.